Hey guys, got a little product drop here for you. These are my Demented Steelworks Sucker Punch zipper pulls. They're like a 3D version of my titanium ones. This one is like a matte black steel with like a rough finish on it there. The DS for Demented Steelworks. Little split ring to attach to your zipper, keychain, or whatever you want. I'd say these are about a little over an inch tall by a little like maybe 800,000ths of an inch wide, and I think these are like 0.333 hundred of a thousandth of an inch thick. So got a little bit of heft to them, but shouldn't be that noticeable on a zipper. Just got nice detail all the way around. And then this one is brass. I'm gonna try to put a patina on this one, hopefully a bluish green salty sailor patina, either over the whole thing, or I'll do it basically in the eyes, in the crack, the nose, in between the teeth, down in the deep recesses on the side here, inside the DS, you know. I will let everyone know on my Facebook page, Demented Steelworks, when these will be available to purchase and how much and everything. I'm going to try to do other materials as well, other colors, stuff like that. So if you have any interest or questions, or maybe like requests on colors or materials, just shoot me a message on there and I'll get back to you on that. Alright, stay sharp.